Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Ahlan wa sahlan wa marhaban bikum. In this lesson, we are learning how to use has, have in Arabic language. Isnadu Enda ila الضمير. Let's see this one. Indahu he has. Indahuma they to have. Indahuma they have. Indahum they all have. They all have. Indaha she has. Indahuma they to have. Indahuma they to have. Indahunna they all have. Indaka you have. Indaka you have. Indakuma you have. Indakuma you have. Indakum you have. Indaki you have. Indaki you have. Indakuma you have. Indakunna you have. Indi I have. Indi I have. Indana we have. Indana we have. Let's some words use has have in Arabic. Indi ladayya li I have. Indana ladayna lana we have. Indaka for male. Ladayka laka you have. Indahum ladayhim lahum they have. Friends and my viewers, if you like this video, please like, share and comment. Subscribe my channel. Keep learning and practicing. Thanks for watching. Ma'as salama. Ila liqa.